A novel intrinsic safety rigid flexible coupling (RFC) manipulator was developed to improve the safety and reliability of COVID-19 oropharyngeal swabs sampling. The remote control terminal and RFC sampling robot are isolated by baffle. The RFC manipulator is controlled by 5 joints, 2 revolute joints, 1 prismatic joint, 1 micro-pneumatic actuator (MPA), and 1 micromotor. Strain gauges are attached to MPA to measure the force. Some path planning and tracking were completed to verify the flexibility of RFC manipulator. The workspace under different constraint numbers was calculated by MATLAB. This part of the video shows the feasibility of our self-developed RFC manipulator. In the intrinsic safety experiments, compared with swab on rigid actuator, purple line, the MPA with 11 free joints, blue line, is more safe, which force can be limited to 552 mN. The PID control method with real-time force feedback function was used as the joint control of the whole system. In order to prove the feasibility of constant force control, the operating force was set at 20 mN. The videos show that the contact force is between 17.6 and 20.7 mN. The error could be controlled to within 12%. Both oral cavity phantom sampling experiments and human sampling experiments had been carried out. Firstly, object detection and segmentation of the oral cavity using the algorithm of the mask RCNN with the RealSense camera, which was attached to the RFC manipulator. Here, the left and right tonsils and the palate area were recognized and located. Secondly, online motion planning with the oral cavity constraints using visual guiding to reach the initial sampling position by means of position control after contact was made and force control was activated. Finally, the RFC manipulator conducted the OP swab sampling task with constant force control. The experiments of this robot received approval by the Institutional Review Board of the Chinese University of Hong Kong, Shenzhen, and carried out volunteer experiments with 10 healthy participants, 7 males and 3 females, taking part. In the volunteer experiments, 100% robotic samples are qualified with CT value less than 37. Thank you for watching.